Hi, my name is Arthur Ingraham. I'm a licensed insurance agent, and today we're going to be discussing how to add a teenager to your auto insurance policy. When adding a teenager to your auto insurance policy, when your teenager passes their driver's test and they obtain their driver's license number, at that point, contact your insurance agent and let them know what that driver's license number is. One important thing to keep in mind during this process is if you're a household that has more vehicles than drivers, the insurance company is going to require that your teenager be listed as a primary operator of one of the vehicles. So say for instance you have 3 vehicles in the household, mom drives one, dad drives the other, and you have a teenager who just obtained their driver's license, and you tell your agent, hey, we do have this 3rd car, but she's not allowed to drive it. The insurance company is not going to take your word for it. They are going to require that if there's enough vehicles to match the drivers or more vehicles than there are drivers, that your teenager be listed as a primary operator on the insurance policy, which is going to create a larger cost than, say, a household of the same size that only had 2 vehicles, at which point dad could be primary on one, mom could be primary on the other, and the teenager would be listed as an occasional driver on one of the vehicles. So that's something to keep in mind when looking to add a teenager, is kind of how many vehicles you have in the household and being ready for that process. So it is a simple process. It does cost quite a bit to add a teenager, and the price will be reduced each year for the first 3 years. So when they're 16 years old to 17, it's going to be the highest rate you're going to pay. After 1 year, no tickets, no accidents, your rate will decrease, but it still won't be super low, and then it'll decrease one more time, and then after that you won't be paying a surcharge for the unexperienced driver. So again, my name is Arthur Ingraham. I'm a licensed insurance agent, and today we discussed how to add a teenager to your auto insurance policy.